I wonder what's for breakfast. Charlie's boat. Charlie's boat? Mom!
Norman! Have you left the tap running again?
No, Ma'am! The whole of Pontypandy is flooded!
Oh, and I didn't get the washing in. Oh, I blame this global cooking thing, I do.
Great fires of London! It's the worst high tide Pontypandy has ever had, Tom!
Struth! It'll take ages to clean up.
Yes, and that's once the tide has gone back out. That won't be for hours.
Station Officer Steele to Fireman Sam. Can you hear me?
Very loud and clear, sir.
The Jones family is stranded on the Whole Fish Cafe roof.
Thanks for dropping in, Sam. We had to climb up here. The water was rising so fast. So I can see. Is everyone okay?
Yes, but we can't find Lion.
Have you safe and sound? Now, keep still, everyone. Oh, hey! What? Whoa! Ah! Hey! Hey! Wally, come back! Boy overboard!
Shall we take another sweep at the area, Sam?
No need. Down there, look. Sam to Penny, Norman is in Breaker's Field. He's in the water, as quick as you can.
Thanks, Sam.
Mom! Mom!
Oh, my sunken treasure.
There you go, Norman.
Where's Wooly? Oh, phew.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for